guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Jazz and this is part 2 of my Santorini vlog. If you haven't, make sure to go check out part 1 of this video. It was really fun. I had a great time. I show you the villa, the excursions, all of Santorini and everything like that. If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So today we're actually leaving our first place, our first hotel, and we're going to another side of Santorini to a different hotel, and we're gonna go to a beach club and winery. Like, we have so much planned for this second half of the trip. I'm actually really sad we're leaving our hotel because it was beautiful, amazing. The service was awesome. This first 3 days of Santorini has like been life-changing and so peaceful and fun and just incredible. Yesterday we went to this really nice bougie restaurant. It was like a 7-course meal. The meals were really tiny, but it was filling by the last one. It was beautiful. It had a sunset view. It was actually in Athiri, which is on the other side of Oya and Santorini, so it's like 15 minutes away. We had to like drive up the cliffs, but it was a beautiful dinner. It was about like 2 hours, but it was really nice. I really enjoyed that. I'm gonna put all the information down below. I'm gonna link all the restaurants and the excursions down below in the description box. Also in part 1, I have all the information down in the description. So today we are actually going to Nikki's Beach Club, which should be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. I know they have one in Miami. They have them all over, so this is the one that's in Santorini. We're gonna be doing that this afternoon, so stay tuned. Guys, these steps, this takes like 10 minutes to get all the way upstairs, so I'm giving him so much credit right now because walking up these stairs by themselves is just so hard. So we just got to Nikki Beach. Love the vibe. They have a DJ, they're playing house, so we should have a good day, guys. But it's beautiful here. It's really quiet, not too many people so far. It hasn't been packed. Like, it's really, there's a decent amount of people where you can move around, but it's not like high season where there's like hundreds of people on top of you, which is really nice. So we're gonna go get settled in at the cabana, have a few drinks and have some fun.
We're here in Greece having party.
Yes! What are we having? Mastika? Mastika? You want to be in it? Mastika. Okay.
I'm gonna say something in Greek.
Yes.
Siniyasu. Cheers.
Yasu.
Yasu. Yasu. Yamas.
Cheers. Yamas.
Cheers.
So good. Yes. It's so good. I love it. So good. Happy birthday! Aww, I missed it. Happy birthday! ahead. Go ahead. Teach me some Greek.
Say hello. 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 Mutanes. I will because you want this part. Okay, now. Kalimera. Okay. Kalimera. Ne. Kalimera. Kalispera. Kalinnikta. Sekoriari. Para minha prima. Sekotripiari.
Okay guys, so I just got back from Fira and we went out tonight. I actually made some new friends. I just want to say, like, Greece has been ridiculously, unexpectedly, like, mind-blowingly amazing. Like, all in all, everybody is so friendly here. It's ridiculous. But just the people that I've met from all over the world and the experiences that I've gotten off of this trip and the friendly vibes and the new memories, it's just like, I wouldn't exchange it for anything in the world. And I just want to say, like, I know, you know, like, this is the vlog, and yes, Fira and the nightlife was really, really fun and it was lit. Only thing is that it does end pretty early. The nightlife in Fira ends at around 1:30. But it's so surprising because, like, I live in New York. A lot of the music that they play and the things that are popular here are like Cardi B and like Drake, and it's eye-opening. The impact that, you know, our culture in America and our music has on, like, so many different parts of the world, and just how people communicate. You know, like, some Greek people might not know English, but they'll know the lyrics to freaking like a Drake song. It's just like you bond in those moments with, like, you're in that present moment in time and you're experiencing that same vibe together. It's like it doesn't matter what they're saying. You just understand it and you're connected. Overall, Fira was fun, the nightlife was fun, and Greece has been literally one of the best trips of my life. I'm just so grateful. I'm going to call it a night, and tomorrow is my last day, so I know we have a winery that we're gonna go to, but I'm definitely gonna just catch up on some rest, check out this new hotel, and then finish off my last day in Santorini. I'm so sad, but all things must come to an end. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so it is my last day here. I'm so sad that I have to leave. I literally, like, the depression is starting. Today we're kind of just getting all of our last minute things done. You do have to get a COVID test to go back into the States, and I believe it's a PCR. That's what I had to get. I came to a local clinic and they charged me 90 euros. They are really, like, aggressive with it, so just be prepared. Now that's all done, that's out of the way, so I'm gonna enjoy my last day. It's like so many ATVs and motorcycles, but we're probably just gonna walk around today, do a little bit of shopping, enjoy the hotel, enjoy the resort, and then I'm on my way home. I'm so sad. So right now I'm just walking down the strip of Kamari Beach. They have a lot of restaurants and like bars. They all really try to get you to eat at their restaurant. They, like, all give you their cards and everything, but the one that we tried last night was, like, unbelievably amazing. I'm gonna link their information down below, and the name of the restaurant is one of the first ones on the strip, and the food was beyond so good. The quantity was amazing and it was cheap. It wasn't that bad for 3 people. So for the most part, it's pretty much just beach bars and restaurants. I've been walking down the strip for a while now, and they've been offering me, like, a free chair, a free beach bed. I don't know if that's just, like, if you eat at their restaurant or because they want you to eat at the restaurant, but most of the restaurants on this strip all have a view to the ocean, which is really, really nice. But I'm not gonna lie, Greece is pretty expensive. It really depends on where you go and how much you get for your money. Just be prepared to spend your money if you come to Greece. For sure, just be prepared. came and he explained. I got lost. He was saying basically you have to start with the youngest, the youngest and lightest wine, and then you have to work your way to the oldest and most aged. Why do they go like this?
I don't know how to smell. I don't know the tones. Next is the class.
Next. I haven't found my one yet.
Maybe that.
Maybe that line here. Yeah, we have to put for you.
This one, no, the rose. Let's see.
I think that's the one we tried.
Yeah, I like this one.
Rosé.
Yeah, I always like rosé or Moscato. I don't know if they have Moscato here. Okay. So they said it's better to try it from lightest to oldest, so you can like light to dark, so you can get like the most taste out of it, the aging of the wine, or you could just drink it however you want. But to like really get the wine experience,
and
right?
The year of the wine and the age of the wine. Taste the wood.
I've never liked red.
These are sweet. We had these for dinner the other night.
Which one?
It helps with digestion.
These are strong.
Yeah.
Ooh. You like that one?
Ooh. You taste it now? It's okay. This is more for after dinner.
It's the rosé for me. We'll see. We'll try some more. Where'd it go? Sorry. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. Look at the sunset.
So just go around and go up and down the stairs.
I'm gonna miss Santorini so much. You guys don't understand. Cheers to Santorini.
I can prove myself.
No, you're good. Enjoy. Thank you.
Minus 40 right?
Yeah.
And without
Okay, and then yes.
40.
Okay guys, so I'm officially back in New York in JFK. That concludes my shenanigans and my trip to Santorini and Greece. It's really, really noisy in here, but I just wanted to say goodbye. And if you got to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about Greece or the trip or excursions or information, definitely let me know down in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to all of your questions and comments. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, it entertained you, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel and it helps me help you, Santorini and Greece. I love you. It was amazing. Best trip. Definitely stay tuned for more travel videos, more travel vlogs. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video.